Registration time is upon us, and if you have met with your advisor and you know what courses you need for the next semester, you can register yourself using WebAdvisor. The link for WebAdvisor is on the Nash Community College homepage under Student Portal. If you click on Student Portal, you will see the link for WebAdvisor. Log into WebAdvisor. Your user ID is the same as the one that you use for Moodle. It is also the same as the beginning portion of your student email address, but you do not need to include the @st.nashcc.edu. Your password is also the same as you use for those other two sites. If for some reason you have forgotten your password, you can always use the student portal on the Nash Community College homepage to reset your password. Once you log in, you will click on Students. So by now you should already have met with your advisor, and you should know what classes you need to take for the next semester. You will click on Register for Sections. And on the next screen, we will search and register for sections. This will allow us to search for all the different days and times that the different courses are being offered. We will choose what term or semester we are interested in searching for the courses. Under Subject, we can choose the specific subject. You do not need to enter a course level. If you know the specific class that you want to take, you can enter the course number. You can enter up to 5 classes in the search boxes. And I'm just going to do one more because I want to show you some differences between these different classes. So I'm going to be looking for all the different dates and times that Art 111, Com 231, Chemistry 151, and Math 271 are being offered for the spring 2018 semester. Now on this screen you need to be careful because courses such as mathematics and science courses and computer courses have lecture time and lab time. So sometimes you cannot see all of the class time listed on this screen. For example, Chemistry 151-01. It appears as though this class is going to meet Monday, Wednesday from 9:30 to 11. But if you click on that class, you will get more detailed information. And you will see that there is actually also a lab time associated with that class on Tuesdays from 9 to 12. And that lab is not optional, it is required. And you can't see that lab from the other screen. So Many classes include lab times, and you can't always see them from the initial search screen on WebAdvisor. So we just need to be careful of that. Most of our humanities, English, social science courses do not include lab time, and you'll be able to see the full times on the search screen. But again, our science courses, our computer courses, our math courses include lab time, and you may not be able to see the full amount of time that they meet from this screen. So now it's time to start building our schedule. We'll want to make sure that none of the classes that we choose overlap. So use the planning document that came with this email to help you choose courses and map them out throughout the week so that they do not overlap on different days and times. So, for example, Art 111 is being offered on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 to 5. If I know that's going to work in my schedule, I can put a check mark next to it. And then Chem 151 is being offered Monday, Wednesday, 9:30 to 11. Remember, chemistry is a science course and it's going to have a lab with it. And when we opened that up a minute ago, it had a lab on Thursdays. So we need to check and make sure that it's not going to conflict with that art class. And lab is on Tuesdays from 9 to 12. So lab on Tuesday from 9 to 12 is perfectly fine, and it's not going to conflict with our Tuesday, Thursday art class. Com 231, we are going to put right after our chemistry lecture. So chemistry is Monday, Wednesday, 9:30 to 11. And there is a comm on Monday and Wednesday from 12 to 1:30. And then finally, we are going to sign up for calculus. And look, there are only 2 calculus options. And my personal preference is not to take calculus online. The OL01 means this calculus course is online. My only other option for calculus is Monday, Wednesday, 1 to 3:30. But I've already chosen a comm class that's on Monday, Wednesday, 12 to 1:30. So those are going to overlap by 30 minutes. So that comm class I can't use. I'm going to have to do calculus on Monday, Wednesday, 1 to 3:30. And again, use the planning document and a pencil so that you can erase these as you go. And it would probably be better if I did my comm class on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I just need to make sure that it does not conflict with my 9 to 12 chemistry lab. So if there is a comm class after 12, perfect. That will work. So when we map these out on the planning document, none of them are going to overlap. Art is Tuesday, Thursday, 3:30 to 5. Chemistry is Monday, Wednesday, 9:30 to 11 for the lecture. And then Thursday from 9 to 12 for the lab. Com 231, which is public speaking, is Tuesday, Thursday, 1 to 3:30. 1 to 2:30. And then Math 271, Calculus 1 is Monday, Wednesday, 1 to 3:30. Once you have put a check box next to the courses that you would like, you're going to hit submit. That will put your courses, your selected courses, into your queue. This is like your shopping cart, your online shopping cart. If registration has already opened, then from the drop-down screen on the top, you can choose Register and Submit. If registration has not started yet, then you can leave these there and they will be saved for when registration does open up. So if you need to leave WebAdvisor now and come back later, when the registration does open, all you need to do is come back to Register and Drop Sections here on the student homepage, and it will bring you right back to your shopping cart where you have your 4 classes saved. And then if those 4 classes are correct, from that top drop-down menu, you're going to click on Register and Submit. If you want to make sure that your classes registered correctly, from the Students menu, you can click on My Class Schedule and Spring 2018 and go ahead and check and see what your Spring 2018 schedule looks like. And of course, I did not go ahead and register, so I don't have them on my schedule. But after registration opens up and you are able to register for your courses, you can check to make sure that everything worked out fine by checking your class schedule, and you can also print it from there as well. If you have any trouble or if you have any questions, you can visit the Advising Center, or you can talk to any of your instructors, or you can email me. I would be more than happy to help you with this as well.